Hi, my name is Cindy and welcome to the Home Automation X channel. Thank you for watching. In this video, I am going to show you the Aqara Smart Hub M2 while I take you around the house to show what it can do. Here is the Aqara Hub M2. First of all, Aqara is a smart home solution that you can expand up to 128 devices easily over time. This Aqara Hub M2 is a control center and also a smart bridge compatible with Apple HomeKit. It supports Wi-Fi or Ethernet network access and interconnection with Zigbee devices. You can set up automations directly in the app, or you can create scenes like a good night scene to turn everything off when you go to sleep, or a good morning scene to start your coffee and get you ready for the day. I will talk more about the features of the hub and what it can do, but first I will show you some practical devices I connected to it. Just a reminder, all of these devices are Zigbee and not Wi-Fi. In the bedroom ensuite, we installed this Aqara Smart Switch. Now, the top switch is for the shower light and the bottom switch is for the shower fan. An interesting automation I enabled for the fan switch is if it turns on, it will automatically turn back off after 30 minutes. Now, this is a great way to save energy, as a lot of people forget to turn the fan off after they shower or use the washroom. Here is the Aqara motion sensor. As soon as it detects motion in the evening, it automatically turns on the shower light. Sometimes in the middle of the night, you don't want super bright lights on. So this shower light is perfect for just that. You can see where you are going without being blinded. I have another motion sensor in the hallway. Look at how tiny and cute it is. And like all their devices, it requires an Aqara Hub, or the G2H camera, which has one built in. Whenever unexpected motion is detected, the Aqara motion sensor will send an alert to your phone and can trigger other connected devices such as the Aqara Smart Plug, or it can activate the local alarm sound on the Aqara Hub. As you can see, I also put a motion sensor in the basement. If anyone tries to break in through one of the windows, the motion will trigger and my alarm will go off, which will also alert my phone. This vibration sensor by Aqara can be put on your windows, like so, to detect if someone opens your window or breaks your glass. It comes with double-sided adhesive tape to easily be applied. You can also put it in a jewelry box or a drawer to detect if someone is messing around with your stuff. Once it detects vibration or movement, it can alert your phone. Let's test it out. Someone is touching your jewelry. This could also be great if you had expensive artwork or if you wanted to know if someone is moving something. I connected the Aqara door window sensor to the front door, and when the door is opened at nighttime, it can automatically turn on my foyer light. This is perfect for coming home in the middle of the night. It can also trigger my Amazon Echo to say, the front door is open at all hours of the day. Let's test that out. The front door is open. I also put a door window sensor on the rear patio sliding door. This will only be used for the alarm system. I have 3 door window sensors, so I put my last one on the entrance to the garage. It will also trigger my Amazon Echo to say, the garage door entrance is open at all hours of the day. I have the G2H camera monitoring my front door. This just adds an extra layer of security to track anyone who comes through. It captures the video and audio locally to the SD card. Here's a video clip, and you can have the camera alert you on motion or an abnormal sound. All right, so we're just testing my camera now. My audio is coming from here. Let me know how it sounds, how it looks. I also installed a G2H camera in the garage. Just a note, the camera is Wi-Fi, but everything you need to connect it will be Zigbee. It is 1080p with night vision and two-way audio. There's also a built-in hub which has a siren for home security. So you don't need to purchase an additional hub if you already have one of these cameras. It is also a great device to monitor your belongings. The Aqara water leak sensor also requires an Aqara hub. Whenever the water leak sensor detects water, it can send an alert to your phone and activate the local alarm on the Aqara hub to prevent leaks and flooding. The slim design allows you to put anywhere. I'm going to put it right here. That way, should any dripping or leaking happen, it will catch that. Right now, it's under the sink. I will also put a water leak sensor under the kitchen sink. But first, let's test it out, as I will put it in some water here. So here is the sensor. And I'm just going to immerse it in some water. And let's see what happens. Oh, wow. So as you can see here on my phone, it says that there is a kitchen water leak sensor. My home leak is detected, triggered automation kitchen leak. So very quick turnaround, alerting you to the dangers. I have 3 Aqara water leak sensors, and I put one of them right here by the furnace, as you can see. If it detects water, it will send an alert to my phone and activate the local alarm on the Aqara Hub. The Aqara Smart Plug is also Zigbee and comes with energy monitoring and overload protection. I have it outside to control my gazebo fan when it's a hot summer day. All right, so now we are here outside in the gazebo and I want to test the switch outside. So let us check. Alexa, turn on the fan.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. I'm telling you, Alexa is great at turning on the fan. Those are a few of the practical ideas for the Aqara Smart Home solution that you can easily expand over time. To see more videos on products like this, subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified. Now I will go over the finer details of this Aqara Hub M2. The hub should be roughly 7 to 20 feet away from your router, but I would plug it in directly using Ethernet. The built-in speaker can be used as an alarm or a chime. The Aqara Hub M2 adapts Zigbee 3.0, which has a quick response time, low power consumption, and high security. If your internet goes down for any reason, the remote access function obviously cannot be used. However, the connected devices can still be accessed through the local area network, and automation under the hub can work normally. In the Aqara app, you can set your security system to be in home mode, away mode, or in night mode. For example, in night mode, we can arm all our door sensors, have our hallway and basement motion sensors enabled, along with the motion on our cameras. If a device picks up movement, it will send a push notification to my phone, along with sending an alarm to all our hubs that includes the hubs that we are inside our cameras. So in our case, we have 3 sirens going off. The Aqara Hub M2 can also manage your different IR devices with its IR remote control function. After the IR devices are paired through the app, they can be directly controlled through the app or controlled through setting automations, such as turning on the TV, turning on the fan, or controlling the air conditioner. It is recommended that the distance between the devices and the hub should not exceed 65 feet, and there can be no more than 2 walls in the middle. We have our devices in the basement, the garage, and upstairs without any issues. Now, the Aqara Hub M2 is an inexpensive solution for your smart home. You can expand your smart home slowly as you purchase different devices for the hub. The Aqara line of products have come very popular for smart homes, and they work with Apple HomeKit. I put the links to all the products in this video down below. You can check out their prices and get more information on them. Don't leave just yet. We have these videos on the side you might be interested in. Click on either one of them to see our latest content. Subscribe to see more videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget, we have awesome swag and the latest and greatest on our website, homeautomationx.com. Thank you for watching.